Welcome back to the channel. If you're a QuickBooks Online user and want to keep your books accurate, today's tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through the complete process of recording cost of goods sold, or COGS, in QuickBooks Online step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to track the true cost of the products you sell in 2025. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account with your credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the New button on the left-hand menu. Click on it, and from the list of options, select Journal Entry. Journal entries are perfect for handling special cases like recording COGS when it doesn't automatically update. Now, let's record the COGS itself. In the account column of your journal entry, choose Cost of Goods Sold. This account is specifically designed to track the direct costs tied to the products you've sold. In the debit column, enter the total cost of those goods. This number should reflect how much it cost you to purchase or produce them, not the price you sold them for. Next, we need to reduce your inventory balance to keep everything in sync. On the second line of your journal entry, go to the account column again, and this time choose Inventory Asset. In the credit column, enter the exact same amount that you entered as the debit for COGS. This adjustment lowers your inventory value, showing that those items are no longer on hand because they've been sold. At this point, take a moment to double check that your debit and credit amounts match. If everything looks good, click Save. That's it. You've successfully recorded your COGS in QuickBooks Online. By following this process, you ensure that both your income statement and balance sheet stay accurate. Cogs is properly reflected as an expense, and your inventory levels are reduced accordingly. This makes your financial reports more reliable and gives you a clear picture of your profit margins. And that wraps up today's guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks and business management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.